Here we're going to show you how to make windows for your gingerbread house. We're going to show you two methods. The first method is if you can find clear toys, which are not attached to a lollipop stick or out by themselves. If you can get them a little bit bigger, that works really well because they'll just melt right down into the window. In this case, we felt they were a little small, so we stacked one or two together, and then we're going to mount it. We have our oven set to 250, and we're going to slide them in to the oven. And just keep an eye on them, and when they melt and lay flat, we will pull them out. Alright, so we left these in for about 8 minutes. Cook times will vary. You want to make sure that you don't get too many bubbles in them. So that's why we do them at a low heat to melt them. And at this point, we're just going to let them cool. And once they cool, they'll pop right off of the foil. After they've cooled for about 10 minutes, you can just take the foil and gently peel the windows off. And then you can stack them up and lay them on a paper plate until you're ready to use them. Lay them out on cookie sheets. Just need to store them flat. And we're good to go. We'll show you how to use them once we get to the decorating phase.